Yeah, okay, so the nodes have been deployed. So the node 1, Ethereum node running the Hyperledger Besu instance is online. It has been started. The Chainlink service has been started. And yeah, so we have the system monitor up as well. So what we need to do right now is, yeah, as you can see, this is a private Chainlink node and it's connected to this specific account. So a tidbit about Chainlink here, this specific Chainlink node here rather, is that Chainlink nodes in Kaleido are a bit outdated. As such, they still use JSON. At the time of making this video, Chainlink nodes require TOML. Yeah, they require TOML for job specification. So it's a bit difficult, you can say, because the documentation is being phased out. But I guess we are in luck because most of the job specifications here in market.link, so this is the, you can say, market for Chainlink job specifications and jobs and nodes. So most of these jobs are also outdated. So I guess you can pick any one of these. So I'm picking this one. Just go to job spec. And I would like to thank Unicorn Testnet Oracle for making this public. All we need is this specific, sorry, let's see, why does this happen, man? Yeah, so we need this specific job specification. Once again, thank you, Unicorn Testnet Oracle. So yeah, we have the Chainlink node up and running. We need to open the web UI, and it will prompt here for email and password. So which is these things. It's already been provided, the username and password. So this is the Chainlink console. Normally you would need Ether and link balances. Here you do not need that because it's a private network. So here you need to paste this specific JSON blob. So what this is going to do is that it is going to run a few tasks. First one is HTTP get, so it will get from that URL we were talking about. It would parse the data from that URL, extract the bool field from it, and then create a transaction. We do not need this specific parameter here, so just run log would do. So yeah, and create job. Okay, invalid JSON. What did we do wrong? Hmm. Let's see. It's still saying invalid JSON. That's strange. Let's see. Hmm. Nope. It's an invalid JSON. Hmm. Let's try that again. Params is not needed. So much for thanking them. Let's see. Let's use this one. Again, params is not needed. Comma. So yeah, in case you're wondering, because these are native core adapters provided by Chainlink, you don't need to write a bridge. So create job. The job has been created. So yeah, keep in mind that we need to add this job ID in the smart contract along with uh, this link address and Oracle contract address. So let me do that right now. So the job ID has been added. Now on to the Oracle address. And the link token address. So I have added those. You do not really need to fund your account. What you need, however, is to create a zip of those things, those smart contracts that we were talking about, and then upload it. So I'm going to create a zip as well. Alright, now I don't think that's going to be visible here because this only records one screen, but I guess you do not really need a tutorial on making a zip out of a folder now, do you? So yeah, now that I've created a zip, I need to import the smart contract. We are going to import it using a source code, and you need to make an app. And let's see, what should we name this? API test. Let's name it API test. Select the file. So as you can see, Kaleido test.zip, and here we need to select this specific smart contract. So contract to compile. Let's hope this works. Yeah, so this is going to be a bit of a long video thanks to this one. I guess if you want, you can scroll ahead. Yeah, so okay, so this is actually a very common thing. Checksum invalid. So here it's passing the correct checksum address. All you need to do, so this I think is the Oracle address. So this kind of happens quite often with this one. So this is actually the Oracle node. So what the address provided by on the Chainlink console is sometimes not in the correct format. So you need to take this address and just provide it there. I mean, change the addresses in the contract, create a new zip file out of it, and that should do it. Let's see, compress zip, and let's see. It might not be that apparent because the new zip file is also named Kaleido test. But hopefully, if it works, then I guess that's a proof.